Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you guys operation with numbers. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Bote na bandeko nyonso bozakola na ngale to ko travailler na biso na operation with numbers, okay? Alors, example la partie addition. So guys, it's gonna be part of addition. So eh, eh, let's say that you didn't do that well in math when you were in high school. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you guys, okay? We're gonna come here. You see this one, we call this the uh bracket. Okay, the bracket. Now if you don't get it, it's okay. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you guys. Okay, so this one we call this the bracket. Now we have the positive one, positive two, positive three. So we call this the positive numbers. Okay, this one we call them the negative numbers. Okay. So I don't want to read them slice by slice in case you wanna take some notes, So yeah, I'm here. Now when we do the multiplication and the division, easier. Those one easy, but for the addition, it sound a little bit fuzzy. So we come here. Now you have to watch out some of the sign. Okay, they look the same, and when we do addition is a little bit different than multiplication or division. Okay, I'm here now. We're gonna do some exercise, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're gonna work on this now. When you see plus 3 bracket, okay, plus 3 or positive 3, right? This bracket inside is not, we're not doing the multiplication. No, don't get it confused. Okay, it is similar when we do 3 plus 8 equal, it's same thing. Okay, don't get confused, it's same thing. So when we do 3 plus 8 equal what? 11 equal 11, right? Same thing here. In case you don't get it, I'm gonna show you guys. So right, some of you maybe in case you don't get it right, so it's here. 3 plus 8 equal 11. Okay, now you can put plus here, okay? But in reality, no, you don't have to put that. No, at least if your professor say you have to put it, yes, but you don't need it. So it's the same thing. Okay, so the answer here is gonna be put like this. Okay, plus 11. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so because what happened is, you see, we have now, so is right here. This one is the left side. Okay, this is the left side. Okay, this one is the left side, the negative one. This one is the positive. Okay, this one is the positive side, right side. Okay, so I just show you guys in case you don't get it right. Okay, now when you see the positive sign inside, don't be afraid of it. Okay, so it's same thing when we do 24. Okay, plus 17. Okay, equal. So when we do 34, right, plus 17 equal what? 7 plus 4 equal what? 11. we put 1 here, we get 1 on top. 1 plus 3 equal 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is 51. So here the answer, okay, plus 51. This is the answer, okay, because here we have positive, here positive. This one, okay, it stay the same, just leave the way it is. So like the way I said, we go from okay, this side here is 0. This one is the positive side. This one is the negative, okay? The left side, the right side. So we're going to the positive side, okay? So, yeah. Now we're going to do this part, okay? So we got -6 plus -14. So what happened when you're doing this, okay? When you're doing this, we're going to do this one first, okay? My advice to you, just think, when you look at the whole or the note I show you guys at the beginning, okay, you're gonna understand. All right, so we're gonna add the number, the sign after, okay, since we have two negative sign. All right, so the way I look at it, just think of it like you have like the death, okay, the death. Think of the death, okay. So in this case, when you look at it, the 14, okay, when you look at the 14, is 14. So here we got the same sign. Here the same thing, okay. Don't get confused, because here we're not dealing with the minus, it's a plus. Here is not the minus, okay. So in this case, when we're doing this, do not panic. My advice, you don't panic, okay. So what we're gonna do here, 6 plus 14 equal 20. So we do 6 plus 14 first equal 20, right? 20. Now we're gonna carry our minus here, okay. So here the right answer, the way your professor wants, is gonna be bracket minus 20, okay. Because what happened, we're going from the left side, not the positive. Here we got 0, we got this is the left side. The left side here minus, here the positive. So what happened is we're going from the positive side. This is side. We're not going from the we're going from the negative, not from the positive. Okay, so that's why we end up having minus 20. Okay, all right. So that's why when you look at my on my lecture, that's why I said when we adding two negative numbers together, just think of adding two deaths, the result being in a large death. Okay, so in this case, we're dealing. You look at here, the 14 is the large one. Okay, now the next one, we're gonna do this one. Okay, so the next one, when we put 60, we write 63, okay, plus 71 equal what? Equal what? It's gonna be minus 134. Huh? In case you don't get it. So if we write 63, okay, plus 71 equal 133 minus, okay? So the right answer is gonna be, we're gonna put the bracket here, minus, this is the large one, okay? That, and then we're gonna write 134. So we're dealing this side. We're going from the negative side, okay? But the large depth of this I'm talking about is like 71, okay? So when we do the division and multiplication, easy. Only addition and subtraction, a little bit kind of hard, okay? It's a confuse a lot of students, but don't let this burn you out. Don't let this, okay? So if you don't get it, watch it a few times, you're gonna be okay. So here we're gonna deal with one side is positive, the other one is negative. Okay, so don't get confused. So when you look at this one is really simple. Okay, so 12 minus 7 equal what? 5. Okay, because when we do 12 minus 7, right? So we're gonna have 5 because, okay, so equal 5. Okay, so when I bring here 12, in case you don't get it, minus 7 equal 5. Okay, it's really simple math. Okay, you don't need this, it's really simple. Okay, so now the one on the bottom here, now you see what you own here is 7. You own 7. Okay, that's what you own. So 7 is what you own. Okay, what you own here is 7, right? Now the 12, think of it, the plus, this is what you own. 12 minus 12 is like the debt. Okay, that's what you have. So you have this one, the debt. Okay, this is what you have, right? The debt. Now what we're gonna do here, 7, okay, 7 minus 12 equal what? It's gonna be minus 5. Okay, so minus 5. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do it. 8, 7 plus 7, plus 7. This is the plus, and here the 12. Okay, so this one is minus 12. Okay, equal minus 5. Okay, minus 5. Okay, so the answer here is gonna be minus 5. Okay, this is the right answer. Minus 5. That's the right answer. Because what happened when when one here, the 7 is positive and this side here is negative, but the debt you have is 12. The what you own is 7. Okay, so here you don't have any debt, but in here you have it. It's 12, which is minus. Okay, so yeah, so the answer, this is the right answer. Here also the right answer. Okay, I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. In case you don't get it, please watch this several times. you're gonna be okay. All right, so thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.